how to add payment method to Discord Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add payment method to Discord Mobile. This cannot be done from the Discord app. You need to open up any browser over here. You can choose any browser, and once you're in the browser, you need to go ahead and type discord.com. Now, this will take you to the Discord login page. You need to simply go ahead and enter your username or phone number that you have entered before to create your account. Then you need to go ahead and enter the password. Now that you are logged into your Discord account, you need to simply go ahead and tap on settings, which will be on the bottom right. Now that you're in your settings, you need to scroll down until you see the billing settings. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on billing. Now you can see the add payment method over here. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that. You can add your card or PayPal. Here I'm going to add a card. Now you need to go ahead and fill up your credentials over here, and once you are done, you need to simply tap on next, and that's it. You now know how to add a new payment method on your Discord Mobile. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.